Hello friends, welcome to Scotty G. My name is Scott, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can come up and create your own YouTube channel and customize it plus some art here and there so that you can use it for your own marketing, upload videos, and you can make some cash in return if I told you be consistent and upload some content. Of course, don't forget to subscribe to this channel which you're seeing over there. It is our new channel and it's going to be bringing you content on how to make money. Now, what you need to have, one is an email address, and you have to be, that is a Google email address. And once you're signed in using either your phone or your Windows or your PC, so this is because I'm using a PC right now, that's what I'm going to show you. What you need to do is to go over here, right corner, and then you select that icon, and then you choose where you see channel. Okay. Automatically, everyone has a YouTube channel by default, basing on YouTube on Google. Now, what you need to do is to say customize, because by default you'll be having your name as your channel, okay, and your profile picture. Now we need to customize it so that we can upload our own art and many things. Now, when it comes to art, what you need here is to go to a website called Canva. I'll leave the link in the description of this video. You use this website for you to design your thumbnails, your channel art by just typing over here, like if I want maybe YouTube channel art, just like this, okay, YouTube thumbnail, and they'll give you free templates and you'll be using them for your own designs onto YouTube, just like you're seeing channel. Now what you need to do is to choose what your channel is all about. If it is about gaming, of course I'll choose that, and they will take me to another page where I'll be editing it. It's not complicated, it's just easy editing. And remember, you're using a free stuff here. There are many things to do with this website. Of course, I'll leave the link in the description. Even if you're a web designer, there are free business cards, many things, and there are those which are premium. Of course, you sign up and pay for the pro if you need some great work. And you can use this website as well to make money online. Like if you're a logo designer, you can put logos, you can design logos, and many other things to do. So what we need to do here is we have gotten our template here, and we can name our channel. Okay, start the game. Maybe we can even leave it the way it is there, because I just see it as enough. Or if you're not contented, you can choose any of these, the one you're seeing here, and you feel like, wow, that's good for my channel. Well, this one also works for me. And what I'll need to do is to choose maybe this. And if your channel is about food and a lot of things, if your channel is going to be about anything you want, so maybe it's going to be about music, I can select this. And I put maybe the name of my channel there. Maybe let me say Scott Media. Okay. And I just download. Okay. It's already edited. What you need to do is to select this. Okay. If it is your logo, you first download the logo. Okay. And then transparent background. Okay. Then you increase the size. Then you download. Again, you come back for the second time, you download that. Okay, then you download. Also, if you need the logo, you just come here and enter logos, and then they will bring you lots of logos, and you choose which logo you want. Since our channel is about music, so you can enter and say maybe music logos. It will filter out some of the things which maybe we can choose this, and we can customize it. So if you sign up with this website, they will give you free, like a free trial, but me, I'm having a premium. I'll recommend you to always use a premium or a premium product if you're intending to use it for business. Okay, and then what we need to do is to just change only this. Okay. And we can remove even that one because it's not necessary. I believe that one is just enough for us. And what I'll need to do is to just download the PNG because this is a logo. And I just download the PNG. Okay. No. Well, after downloading each and everything, what you need to do is to come back to our page and then you select branding. You upload your logo, which you want. You select that and you select that and then you select OK. Now our logo is there. And then for the art, you come here, you go back to the images which we downloaded and you choose that, then you select OK. Okay, you can see that we are trying to brand our channel. After that, we can publish that so that we can save the changes. As well, we need to change our channel to what we need to name it. Maybe we can name it as well. Maybe if you're into music or you think of a name, I know you have a name which you want to name your channel, but I recommend a name which is easy for the viewer to cram, a name which is easy to be, which brings out the meaning of what you do. But sometimes using your name can also work. I told you do something in the, YouTube for as you go on and expertise in this. People come up and start searching for your channel, start searching for you. Like I know some guys like maybe like those of Roberto Break and Party Flame, Mr. Beast, and some other channels. For those you can, even if you don't search, even Google will force you to view their content, okay? But maybe for now I can name it Scott UG. That's what I want. Or I can say Scott Media, whatever. Or World of Entertainment, or Tech Fun. Well, as well, you can enter your channel description. This is where you can enter your links, things related to your channel, other stuffs to do along your channel, and many other things. Okay, you can describe about your channel and what your channel is all about. Maybe in just like 3 lines, and then you add your social media links. That is to go. And then you can add your links, social media links, Facebook, what's on. You just type maybe Facebook, you paste the URL, you add a link. If face YouTube, you add a link, okay? And then you attach your email address. Like I can attach my email address, scottug1 @gmail.com. Okay. And then I click publish. Since we have updated, we have created our channel and we can now view our own YouTube channel. Well, there is our channel. It's all about music, and I've made a mistake. I should have made it tech fun. So that qualifies us to go back to where we created our. Now, here are some errors. The fact that our art is in the form of music, well, it can't be tech fun, but also we can just leave it the way it is. Okay, can maybe say Scott Music. That one can work. Okay, and then now our task is to upload our first video. You just click upload and you select this, and you're free to select any video of your choice which you recorded and you upload. Okay, maybe if I'm to select one video here which I may upload, maybe, okay, if I'm to upload this one, okay, you describe your video, you put the title. Okay, you put a good title. Maybe I can say for maybe best mommy and daughter dance videos. And then you put the description. This is where you put the description, but remember what you talk about here should be into your description. You just feed in these words maybe in your description, like maybe you describe it for a few lines, and then you put your links, and then you put if I told you have disclaimers and so on, and then you come over here, you say this, and then you put tags. Okay, you put video, what people will search. If people search as this, YouTube will be easy for YouTube to recommend your video since you tagged your video on that search term. Okay, maybe just like that one, if you can see that is mommy and daughter dancing. So well, you can even put your title as your first tag, and then the rest can follow. Okay, and then you come here, you select the language. That one you can even skip all this, and then you select next, next. Well, you save and publish. Okay, you publish. Well, our video is live and our channel is running. We have created our channel, we have added the art, we have added each and everything, and we just wait for people to subscribe. You're free to share this link to your friends, all your social media, and people will come out and subscribe to your channel, share, view your content, and do each and everything. Well, with that, let's go to YouTube. We meet in another video. God bless you.